Okay guys, so get ready with me part 2 for my nativity play. Don't know. So I've got my denim jacket because I'm gonna be putting this on. Yes, my sinus. Stick it up your nose and sinus gone.
Alright, I'm done.
More? What is it? I think mommy's also. I have to. My mommy's and mom's and mine.
Have you got your chains on? It's still laying there, Kiara.
No, because I'm not putting their chains on.
You're not putting it on.
No, I said I'm putting on my silver one.
Now put away.
The
put
cross
away.
one that mommy and I got for you.
Now put away.
Yeah. Ma, Alexa and Ruby said that you mustn't talk about your star signs and zodiac signs in church a lot because it's witchcraft.
Oh.
Is it?
Then maybe.
Because Ruby likes to talk a lot of junk. Ma, but when you said that you only like to serve with Mika, why didn't you say Ruby also?
Yeah, but I mean, they're putting me on with that other children. I don't like the children.
Yeah, the twins.
Put away.
Guys, I'm gonna put my jewelry away. If you guys don't know what chain I'm talking about, it's this chain. Oh my gosh, I think you guys got a glimpse of it. But if you didn't, it's a cross chain that is silver. I'm gonna put this on because I take way too long to put these on, and my mom can put it on for me because she can't see apparently. So, and I got this bracelet. It's not mine, it's my mommy's. She got it from the church also. So I'm gonna put this on and yeah. Then here is it on me. Can't really see it because it's silver. Then I'm gonna do clean up and then I'm gonna clean up and do like this is stuff that I must do, but I'm gonna show you like pack my bag